In order to access archived data, we need to sign in using our NOMAD username and password. Then click on the datastore button in top bar menu and select Experiments Search from the drop-down list. The switch in the top bar allows to select type of experiment that we want to search for, archived automatically or manually. The search interface allows to search experiments using multiple criteria such as instrument name or parameter set name. For those two, we can select the name from drop-down list. Parameter set list also allow to search options by typing in the field. There are also options to narrow the search by solvent, text in the title, date range or dataset name. By default, the search will look for experiments by user who is currently logged in. Depending on data access level assigned to our account by NOMAD administrator, we can look for experiments of other users within our own or even other research group. We can also use the inactive switch to look for data of users that have already an inactive NOMAD account. The legacy switch can be used if our account was assigned to a different group in past. With the legacy switch on, the search returns data that the user currently logged in archived in past and that have been assigned to a different group that he or she is currently in. We can reset the form by clicking on the red button on the right-hand side. Now let's look for experiments that have been recorded on instrument named Hector and have in title word demo. The search returns 4 experiments that were inquired for 2 different samples. The details for individual experiments can be revealed by clicking on the plus buttons at the left-hand side of the search results table. We can use checkboxes to select either entire datasets or individual experiments. Like here, we select only proton spectra acquired for each sample. Now we can click on the download button to access data. A warning pops up to inform us that there might be a better way to access our data than download. In the next dialog, we can confirm or possibly alter the default name of the zip file that will be downloaded. The zip file containing selected experiments will appear in Download folder of our browser. The other option to access our data within NOMAD Datastore is using NMR processing software NMR. We use again the checkboxes to select experiments that we want to open and then click on the blue Open button. Both selected proton spectra appear as overlay and we can use NMR to inspect and process our data. More information about how to use NMR can be found on the project website.